All right, the drink we're about to make is called Batman. He is one of my favorite superheroes and also one of my favorite drinks to make. First thing we're going to do is put some ice in a glass, and we're going to do a shot of dry gin. There we go. And we're going to actually just fill it up the rest of the way with Battery, which is an energy drink. And that's obviously going to give us the bat part of our drink here. And we'll mix this together and get a little background music maybe. That's okay. You don't have to do that. It's not required. It's not in the recipe, but as the bartender, you are here to entertain. So hopefully that was entertaining to you. Let's set up a glass and pour it in. Straw, and that is a Batman. Bottoms up.